morning, folks. Well, Saturday morning here at the knife shop. Should be a pretty good day, I'm hoping. We'll, hopefully have a little bit of fun with some customers today. Maybe play some rock, paper, scissors. See how it goes. Here we go. Alright, we got rock, paper, scissors going on. We're going 2 swords.
I got you.
2 swords, and if they can beat me, they get them for $100. Here we go. We doing 1, 2, 3? Alright, you first. Alright, here we go. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, that's one.
Come on. Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, that's one for me. That's one. Hold up now. Alright. Alright. Hold on. Alright. Yeah, let's see. Hold on.
We gotta take this home.
Alright, here we go. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Boom, that's a win. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna still do the deal. Y'all still got it, guys.
Oh, we had some.
That's cool. That was fun. I enjoyed that. So this is gonna be fun. I get to sharpen all of these. What's happening, folks? First off, I wanted to thank everybody that's liked and subscribed and all of that stuff. If you haven't done it yet, go ahead and click the little button in the corner there. Like, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff. Ring the bell so that you can get notified whenever I've got a giveaway going on. Then what I didn't show y'all the other night is what I'm going to be doing for the next giveaway. So, blurry. There we go. So what I've got is one stick, 18 inches by 1/4 inch by 2 inch, 1095. And then I've got one of the same dimensions, 18 by 1/4 inch by 2 inch, 5160. So, wanted to find out from you guys what y'all want for the next build. Yeah, we got 18 inches here to work with. So, let me know in the comments what you... Blurry. So let me know in the comments what you think, what you want me to build, and yeah, we'll see what we can do. All right, have a good night.